All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to MolarGold Monday morning weekly analysis. Yes, we started a new week, a brand new week, and then we are expecting more volatility in the market. Okay, so what is going to happen? What is going to happen? Sorry. Okay, so what is going to happen? Um, Gold has actually done something spectacular. Since last week, gold directions was very confusing and not direct, right? But for some time now, gold has not been in the right mood. The reason being that of the war. Okay, but if we put that off, we can find the directions of the market, and we have already done that. So if today is your first time, please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and then hit that bell notification so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be notified immediately. So last week, when gold was actually doing this, I said that okay, gold should drop all the way to the downside. We didn't have that down. We have these small corrections, and then gold started going. Once we broke here, I told you guys gold should be in the up move. Even with that, I also stated that it has to go higher to a particular price. But something has happened. We did not hit that particular price. So since we didn't hit the price, gold is in a bearish move. So the whole of this week we are selling gold. Don't listen to anything. Don't listen to anything. Fundamental. Just forget the fundamentals for this week. Alright? So let's focus on the direction. And now I tell you this is the directions of the market. This is the direction of the market. Okay, so let's go for it. We're starting the analysis. So last week, I said that probably gold did this kind of movement, and then because of that, we should be having a correction somewhere, and then we continue. So I said, okay, we should have a correction somewhere, maybe up like this, correct? Then we go back up. But price did not reach the specified price I gave. And since we did not reach the specified price, now we would consider this whole move as wave A, this whole move with B, and then we should get a wave C or a WXY. All right. Good morning, Vance. Good morning, Akins. All right. So that is what we should be looking at. Let's look at it in the higher time frames. So when we look in the higher time frame, this is actually how it looks like. We had a smaller degree of wave, which is with A, with B, and then with C. Okay. Then we change color, or we did a correction. All right. So last week I think I even did this to be a triangle so that we can have that kind of, okay. So if that is the correction, so we had a correction which is with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5. Then now we had an ABC correction, A, B, C. Then we have a W, X, Y, X, Z correction, and then the 5 wave all the way to the top. If that is the case, let's change the colors. I'm not going to use this one. I'm not going to use this one. Let me use the color one. Okay, so I'm using the color one. This is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. Then this will be our 4, like this. In fact, this should be here. It should be here, like this. Okay, this should be here like this. So then we had an ABC correction, which is right here, WXY there. Now let's go for it. Let's go for it. So we are going to go Ctrl Z. So we are going to go. How are you going to start with it? So we have this small correction in here, like this, 1, 2, and 3. Let's change the color so that it becomes visible to everyone. Now let's use red. In fact, let me make the size a little bit bigger. So let me make the size a little bit bigger. All right, so this is it, and that is that. All right, then we had the first leg of it, which is like this, 1, 2, and 3. Then we had the smaller corrections. So let me change this one to green, okay, so that you can follow. In fact, let me use it blue. Follow blue. So then blue again. So we had W, X, Y, X, and Z. All right. Let me delete this, and then I delete that. Then we had a 5 wave to the upside. We had a 5 wave to the upside. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Oh, sorry, wave 5. Sorry. Wave 5. Okay, something like this. Then we completed that cycle. So now blue completed, red completed. That gives us a clue of what market should be doing now. So now that we've completed this first cycle, ABC, and this last cycle, with A and then with B, then we should go for our last degree of wave, which should be a 5 wave. And that is why market is now impulsive. All right, that's basically it. So everything makes sense as and when we are moving. So I keep telling you guys, when you hear Doc saying, guys, we're going to trade the pieces, it means that everything is not falling in place. So we have to trade the pieces till we get the directions of the move. Okay? Guys, if today is your first time, please don't forget to like, comment, and then subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so that anytime I drop a new video, you would be notified immediately. So the guys in the indicator group has already started making some profit already, because price has started calling out the trades, and you can see the trades keep coming in. You can see it clearly. The trades keep coming in. All that you are seeing are non-reprints, so once the arrows appear, they would not disappear again. All right, you can see clearly all these trades, all these trades. All right, and price keep doing exactly what we expect of it. When we go into the higher time frame, which is the 5 minutes, that is where it even gets interesting, because the trade was called earlier I think somewhere here. Yeah. So 5 minutes called the trades earlier, right? And then we started to drop. Okay. So that's basically it. So this indicator is actually guiding a lot of people to make the right decisions. And yes, they are making the right decisions. Because now that you know that price is moving from here to that area, you need a tool to guide you to start trading, right? And that is what the indicator does. So now the box I drew earlier on that price should get into the box. This is a confirm that okay, we will get into that direction or that box, right? We will get into it no matter how we're going to go. Okay, we're going to go. So we will get into the box no matter what. We're expecting price to dance slowly into the box. All right. So basically, this is what we are seeing from here. This is what we are seeing. If you think gold will continue to go to the upside, just tell me in the comment section. Or if you think gold will follow the analysis, you can also tell me the same thing in the comment section. At this point, there's much to talk about, and we would like to draw the curtains right here so that we can finish. Yeah. Some people posting some things. All right, guys. So at this point, I would like to say thank you for coming. We will continue again on Wednesday. At this point, I'll say my name is Dr. Mola, and it's nice having you.